Hello guys, welcome to the Wolf. So here's a quick trade on silver. Yes, I only trade crypto, but sometimes I also trade silver or other commodities and stocks also. So today I decided to make a video on silver also, so that you can also trade on silver. So let's get to the chart. So as you guys know, silver is also known as XAG or ZAG. So I'm on its chart right now. ZAG USD daily time frame. So right now, as we can see that their silver time chart is right now forming in a downtrend with a blue trend line, this one right here, and it is quite respecting it nicely also. So right now, as we can see that it is forming high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high in a downtrend. So there are chances that the price can go all the way up here. Wait, all the way here at this level right there, and from here it can get a reversal. Why? Because first of all it will complete its target of this blue line, and second, I hope you can see this rectangle right here, this main rectangle right here, which is also act as a resistance. Why? See this, history says everything. See this resistance right here, resistance right here, resistance right here. So major resistance. So there are chances that the silver's price can go all the way up here at approx we can say $24.5, and if it goes till here, and then if it gets a reversal, make sure that after that also I will not enter in a short position right there. I will wait for a confluence, I'll wait for a confirmation, either a candlestick pattern or if you want to use any moving average indicator also, but do enter with confirmation only. Then I'll enter in a short position, and my first target will be this here. I hope you can see the yellow horizontal line at $23.43, and I will obviously book 30 to 40% of my profits, and I'll just trail my next of the trade. And guys, it's important to trail the trade and not only stick on one profit or one target. So here it is, my second target will be all the way down here, because this level is acting as a major support. Wait, let me show you right there, this support, this support, and also if we go back here it acted as a resistance. So let me remove the drawings. So this can act as a very good next target at 22.06 level right here. So yeah, but there are chances that the price can meet the first target, and then from between it can go reversal. So it's good to trail the trade as much as you can, and close your positions if the trade is going against you. Okay, okay, there's an announcement right now. I'm in my college, as you all know. Okay, let me switch back to the camera. Okay, so guys, if you want to trade silvers, commodities or US stocks, you can do that on XNES. The link of XNES will be in the description. See you guys on the next video.